Hello team, myself Mohan Sahu. I applied for the post of Munstack developer, and here is the first round of the task. This is task manager. So here is the dashboard of the task manager. So the dashboard contains the title of task, due date of task, status of task, priority of task, and action. Action which contain the read more option, edit option, and delete option. So you can view the existing task. Here you can see the details, description, and due date of task. You can edit the existing task. So here you can edit the task. Let's edit. So let's save. So you can see that the task is edited. You can also delete the task. So this is the filters I applied on the basis of priority as well as status. So let's see the task content high priority. So see the filter is applied and only the higher priority is seen. You can also apply the combined types, the combined filter such as the status with status. So pending, here is the one task which contain higher priority and the status pending. Then is the reset filter in which they clear the existing filters. So the dashboard is only visible for the login user. So let's log out and create another user. So this is the login page of the dashboard task manager, and here is the registration page of the task manager. So let's register the new user. I applied the roles authentication in which the corresponding user see only his task. Let's register demo user 1, keep the password and save. I applied the error handling, so if the entry does not find the database, it throw the error. Let's type something. See login field. So let's try with correct password. See the fresh dashboard is there in which there is no task. So you can perform the same operation here as well. So let's go to the code. So here is the folder structure of the project, which contain two folder, backend, frontend, and getting nodes. So here's the frontend. In frontend I have used MUI for making the UI. So here's the in source folder, it contain component contain auth folder which contain login and registration code. In component kit also have a model folder in which the model code is there, and here is a navbar which contain header. So let's close the component. So here's the helper function which can use for API calling the API, and is a formatted date, and is the delete button which contain extra logic of code. So here's the pages, the main page, home page, in which where the task is seen with in the form of table, and here's the task with in which you can create or edit the task, and all the API call made in the this API folder in which just exporting and calling the function. So here is the front end and here's the backend. In backend I have used MVC model view controller. So in this index main file of the code, in this route which contain two route, task route and user route. In model the structure of database is there, task schema and user schema. I created the middleware so for the auth to just check the user is logged in or logged, or here is the controller, here is the config db connection. For hashing the password I have used JWT. Let's go to the database. Let's refresh user. So here is the I use the hashing technique with the help of JWT for security of password and the task schema. Thank you.